Hey guys, I'm Ryan. I've been hacking things my whole life. So I have printed a ton of prints on this new Artemis printer from FlashForge. In full disclosure, they sent this printer to me. I like that. If you have something, please go ahead and send it. And if it's something that's within my maker channel, I would love to take a look at it. I think that this is an unbelievably sound machine. It comes turnkey. It's extremely well packaged. It has a magnetic heated plate. It has a very large build volume. It does not have an enclosure, but you could easily make one. You can tell that the grooves are in it you can actually build hinges and enclose this quite easily. Actually, there is a printer, an older brother or older sister of this printer that does have a full enclosure. If you check out the FlashForge website, I have found that the weight is a really good indicator of what parts are inside because I didn't take it apart, and it is very heavy and hefty machine. I do have my filament mounted on the back, and I've printed everything from TPU to PLA, and then this is for this bracket to show you how this thing really works. This is around a 40% infill using the FlashForge slicer, and this was put on my roof nest tent to hold down my solar panels, and I've been driving for about a month in 80 degrees and wind, and my solar panels have not fallen off. The way that I designed that is, by the way, for a little design tip, I made a little template of the side of my tent with my laser cutter. I used a Glowforge, and then I went ahead and printed the part out, extruded it inside of Fusion. So this is a great way to say whether or not the printer works, because I made a product out of PETG and it completely kept something that I needed that was valuable, kept my panels down in wind, and I can flip it over with my roof nest tent. So the printer is phenomenal. The only thing you're going to have to do is take the time to unpack it really well, because boy is it packaged well. All of the parts are zip tied. It is really locked down. If you were ever to sell a used printer and ship it, make sure you zip tie all the gantries and the X, Y, and the axis, because it's just going to fall apart. And so when you order something like this and you put the price, I have it linked down below, but for the price, having it fully assembled, you want it to be packaged extremely well, and that's part of the package from FlashForge. But my big, huge sort of final thoughts on this printer are this. FlashForge makes some enterprise level printers. Go check out their website. There's no way they're going to be making this printer, which is an economy affordable printer. They're not going to be making just some old printer. This has got some really structural solid bones in it, and I absolutely love it. And honestly, the way I feel right now is I just can't wait to check out another FlashForge project, because I have 2 different Pruses over there and I have 3 MakerBots, all of which I've either assembled or I've changed out extruders. For this, so far, printing all these parts and multiple brackets for my solar panels, it has been a definite winner for being assembled and being ready to go. So anyways, check out the FlashForge website and the links I have below. And I hope this helps you get going with 3D printing and create some really cool stuff for this upcoming season. Take care. Whatever you do, make something that connects someone. Bye.